Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. Everything that is done in the world is done by hope. Every action, every movement, everything that you do in your life needs something to be driven by. You need to be driven by certain passion, certain purpose, certain work. You need to be driven by a goal that's in the future, the event that's coming up, the income that you are going to be earning, the relationship that you are going to build. The hope is there to drive you, to give you the next attractive moment. The possession of that hope can elevate you to the next levels. So everything that you are going to do needs to drive you by the next what is it called, the next element that's going to be manifested into your life only if you keep persistently working, enjoying, moving and doing everything that's needed to sustain in the world of all different situations, all different moving parts, all different what are they called, irregularities, the things that you don't know, the things that need to be done. Alright, so have that hope, have the passion to build up, have the enthusiasm to grow and scale, and do it right. Alright, I'll see you soon.